What's going on, guys? Kenny here with Attention to Details. Wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Porsche 964. Got Brian over here with me.
What's up, everybody?
We're kind of just wrapping things up for the day, but wanted to do a quick rundown on what we got done on the 964. So today Brian went ahead and got all the original PPF off this car, which is a pretty delicate process. You can remove paint in some instances. Thankfully on this one we haven't ran into that yet, but there is one quarter panel that's a little questionable, so we're going to take our time with that and see what we could do. But we also went ahead and got the headlights out. All of the turn signals are out, and those may be getting replaced. We're kind of just taking everything as we go and seeing what needs replaced, what doesn't, and going from there.
Headlights are being upgraded to LEDs.
LED headlights?
Yeah, all new in-house LED headlights.
So that'll be pretty badass.
And then we're going to be tomorrow removing the emblem on the hood, and then taking the sunroof out because we're replacing all the seal and trim around the sunroof. Getting that done, and then removing the front and rear bumper process will start tomorrow also, and then gutting the interior.
So as you guys can see, we have a full long list of stuff to do to this car. Just kind of taking it day by day on the assembly and seeing where it goes, and once this car is completed, it's going to be a one-of-a-kind car like we mentioned in the last video. And we have another car out here I wanted to show you guys real quick. And you guys may have seen it in other videos. We really haven't done like a dedicated video on it or anything. But this is a 2008 Audi RS4. It's one of only 300 ever made. I think they call it like the Cabriolet, which is the convertible version. But I wanted to show you guys, we just did an engine detail on this that came out very nice. And this car does have some carbon fiber in the engine bay, but it has like a reddish tint, which has just happened from getting hot over the years. But very, very awesome car. Right now the mirrors were sent out to get repainted, and once the mirrors come back, I believe we've got this car fully polished. It's going to be getting Expel PPF'd and ceramic coated, and she'll be ready to go. Now besides that, what else did we do today? I washed my car today, got some stuff done around the shop, and I think that's going to wrap it up. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're going to try to post videos daily, if not as much as we can, and we're going to stick to that. So I appreciate you guys watching. Definitely stay tuned for the Porsche build and some other cool stuff we have going on here at the shop. Catch you guys in the next one.